Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi. We are doing a weekly reset. So for those of you who are new here, my name is C'Aira. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back and thank you for joining. In today's video, you're going to have a couple of things that I need to get done around the house in order to get ready to get my week started. So first things first, I have a couple of things to do in my room. I have some things to get out of the hallway. I have some things to do in the living room. And I definitely have some things to do in my kitchen. I also want to go ahead and give my bathroom a weekly reset as I clean the bathrooms on Thursday. But I also want to do it on Sunday. That way it's getting clean twice a week. Of course, I don't want to get up and do this, but it is a lovely Sunday morning. I'm going to go ahead and get my bed made up and go ahead and get my room looking nice and somewhat put together. The playlist will be linked in my description box down below. Definitely go and check it out after you check out this video. When you go over to the other ladies' videos, be sure to tell them that C'Aira sent you and that you're coming over from my channel if you are not already subscribed to their channels. And just definitely let them know that you're here for their weekly reset. So in order to get my day going, just so that I can get ready to get my weekly reset together, I'm going to go ahead and make me some coffee and make me some breakfast. So I just wanted a little small cup. This was a cup that I just recently got from Family Dollar the morning before. These are only like $2. In my house, we love to light incense. So we love to light them on Sunday mornings, especially while we're here, just to give the house a great smell. And then just to go ahead and have some type of good smell and aroma going in the house, I decided to go ahead and make some eggs for breakfast. So I just simply use eggs, salt, pepper, and then I add in a little bit of milk just to make my eggs fluffy. And yeah, I put butter in my pan and I'm ready for breakfast. So comment down below what you guys do on the normal to get your weekly reset going. I know that for me, it's just to make sure that my kitchen is clean, my living room's clean, my bathroom, and my room. But all in general, I just really want to make sure that my house is clean and I don't have to come back Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday to any extra messes that I didn't get the chance to do over the weekend while I was actually off. So, being that I work Monday through Friday, I barely have time in the mornings to get myself really mentally prepared to go to work. So I love to do face washes every now and then just because my skin is very sensitive to certain face washes and stuff like that. So I wanted to go ahead and just wash off all the oil. And yes, your girl is using her natural. I am in love with her natural. The smell, the way that it feels, the way that it is. Check it out in my description box down below. As you guys know, I'm not going to sit up here and tell you about any product that I would not use on myself. So definitely check it out. I'm definitely using the Miracle Cream. I'm also using the shampoo on the website. So yeah, be sure to go check out all of those items and order something for yourself. And so I wanted to go ahead and just get my hair together, go ahead and brush my teeth for the day, and just go ahead and just get ready to get my weekly routine going of things that I need to do for the day to get ready for the week. All right, so I wanted to go ahead and open up a brand new deodorant just because I want to make sure that I actually have one out for the fact that I just ran out of my other one. So I also wanted to go ahead and grill up some lunch kebabs. So this is what I'll be taking for lunch this week, along with some rice, maybe some noodles and other things like that. This video will be coming soon on those kebabs. So I wanted to go ahead and also put in some seltzer water. So I have this Alani cotton candy flavored seltzer. I wanted to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator so that they're cold and ready for the week. I also want to go ahead and throw in some watermelon ones that I had got from Whole Foods. One of the last things that I hate to do on a Monday morning when you really don't want to wake up is to get the trash ready and up out of here. So I wanted to go ahead and get as much trash out of here as possible so that this trash can is empty and can be ready to be used for the next couple of days. Also, I wanted to go ahead and give my desk some reorganization skills because right here, I ain't got it. I wanted to go ahead and put this on top of this shelf, and I also found this where I can put papers at, and my desk area, just like I said, needs some TLC. I wanted to go ahead and just lower my computer stand, put everything back that needed to go back, and things that did not belong had to go. I don't know if anybody else agrees with me, but I love these stickers and I like to change them out. This is where I keep all of the stickers. I just like to have positive and positivity notes around me, just to say like good vibes only, be positive, we can do hard things. These are all things that I just love to have sitting around on my teacher's desk for when editing videos and also just doing teacher things. So also I need to clean off our kitchen table. I don't want to keep coming home every day to this table being cluttered, but the one thing that is going to stay on this table is our condiment container that has like ketchup, ranch, barbecue from Chick-fil-A, also barbecue from Popeyes, and Polynesian sauce. So I need to go ahead and get everything else off of this table and up out of here. I don't know where it's going, but it's going up off my table. I'm cleaning my table with some Miss Myers. That's just one of my favorite things to clean everything with now. It's almost like I've totally forgot about all the other things as far as cleaning supplies and cleaning products because Miss Myers has just definitely took over. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean my bathroom. I'm using Miss Myers lilac scent. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the sink and then wipe off the washer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my toilet. So normally I clean the toilet on Thursdays, but I also now have been including Sundays as a way to just make sure that my house is clean for the week, the start of the week. And so I'll go ahead and put some things back and then get ready to move on to the next thing. So I like to use Clorox bleach. I have only been putting this in because I want to use the bottle up. I normally do not use a scrub brush anymore other than this, the Toilet Magic Wand. I am so in love with these. I love the price of the refills for the wand, and it definitely cleans everything, and I don't have to worry about it falling off or anything like that when I scrub. So yes, I love to make sure that my bathroom is cleaned on Sundays and Thursdays to get ready for the start of this week. I'm going to go ahead and do it today as well, which is Sunday. And then I also have a couple of other things that I need to do. So on a daily, I take the ashwagandha gummies and the apple cider vinegar gummies. These are really great for adding into my routine. So you guys can use the promo code in the description box down below. I take these ashwagandha gummies twice daily. They look like this. So I do one in the morning and one at night.
the apple cider vinegar gummies. I do one at breakfast, and then one at lunch, and one at nighttime. So yeah, be sure to use this promo code along with the link down in the description box down below to order yours. I also include super fruits and super greens into my daily vitamin routine, as I'm not taking any others. Which reminds me, I need to restock on my hair, skin, and nail vitamins.
One thing I love to do is YouTube plan and calendar plan as well, and definitely be able to draw and write with different colored pens. So I bought this YouTube planner off of Amazon for about $5.99. The links will be in my description box down below. You guys can write the video title, the category, your recording date, just so you have it for your information, music tracks, playlists, supplies, your description, what you're going to talk about in the video, and it gives you a checklist of things such as filming, voiceover, edit, thumbnail, description, tag, if you've uploaded it, if you've done your effects, your music, and if you posted it. It also gives you a box where you can put any links that you might need when uploading. So y'all excuse the handwriting. I just was writing really fast to remind myself that I need to go ahead and put out a new Goalie brand ambassador video, which will be coming soon, because I'm in love with all 4 products. As you guys just seen, it's in my daily routine. So I also love to calendar plan. So this was bought at Michael's. All calendars are on sale for the remainder of the year, just because these are 2022 calendars. We're already halfway in. And so this was $3.99. Like I said, check your local Michael's. So I just like to go ahead and sticky note where I'm at during the month. That way you guys can see the certain things that I have planned. So I love how they give a note section where I can write down at least like 15 to 20 video ideas I would like to get out for the month, or film for the month of June. And then also I love the fact that I could write down the different videos or collaborations that I plan on doing. I also need to go ahead and get ready to cut the grass. So as you can see here, I'm a woman. I know how to get out there and cut grass by myself. As you can see, I don't have much grass because I just have a front yard here and then the other side of the yard where my car sits at, and that's all that I do. So basically here I'm just talking about how I'm going to get in the shower and how I'm going to get ready to clean my body and everything else, because after being out in the sun and mowing the grass, your girl's hot, sweaty, and nasty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out some clothes to put on for after I get out of my shower. I'm just simply going to go ahead and find a shirt, some underwear, some socks, and some pajama pants, and get ready to get her natural inches and be flat out and ready for when I get out of the shower, as well as my clothes. Had to pull out a whole brand new Bath & Body Works bottle to use because I'm out of my other one. So luckily I can go ahead and reset what I need in the shower for this week by adding my Love and Sunshine Bath & Body Works shower gel into the shower already, so that I'll be well prepared. So in conclusion, being that tomorrow is Monday, I need to go ahead and add my B-flat on for the night to get ready to go to bed so that I can be refreshed and rejuvenated for the next morning. Yes, I'm looking forward to getting a fresh new weekend. This is the second to last week that we have at school. So next week will be our last week. So then I will be able to just do a weekly reset on a daily, being that I will be at home this summer. I don't typically work in the summer, so a weekly reset is going to be a daily reset. So this B flat, I will have a video out of this for ladies who have stretch marks and want to try and get rid of it. All I'm going to say is, does it really work? Yes, I have definitely seen a transformation in my stomach and my stretch marks, as far as being that I've been using this for 2 months now. I'm also going to go ahead and tame this hair for the night. So I'm adding in her natural inches. This is what I'm using because I want that long, healthy hair. So I just added in to certain parts of my hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and braid it up for the night and not have to worry about it tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my clothes out for tomorrow. I also need to go ahead and take my nightly dose of the Goli gummies, due to the simple fact that I want to get a well night's sleep to get ready for the week that's ahead of me. I do ashwagandha at nighttime on a daily. I think that these are definitely great if you are looking to just be able to relax and enjoy yourself, and also get in some extra great C's. So at the end of the night, I go ahead and take those before bed, and I also went ahead and made some air fried cauliflower, and I also made some salmon cakes. These are the best salmon cakes ever. So I just wanted to say thanks guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box down below, as we are still wanting you guys to see just how we do a weekly reset. Definitely it is time for bed. I'm going to go ahead and lay it down for the night, turn off the lights to get ready for work for the next morning, and definitely get ready for the week that is coming ahead of me. So adios.